Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been using NC Farm Bureau Insurance for the past few weeks, and I wanted to see how a regional insurance provider compares to the bigger, more corporate names. As someone who values reliability and clear communication, I was honestly curious if their coverage would feel more personal and whether dealing with them would be smooth or a headache, especially compared to larger providers where everything feels automated. The platform itself is pretty straightforward. It's designed for anyone looking for insurance: auto, home, farm, even life coverage, so it covers most everyday needs in one place. It's especially useful if you want someone local to actually guide you through the process, rather than just an automated system or endless FAQs. I figured it would be great for people like me who like having access to a real agent and clear communication instead of just clicking buttons on a screen, which can make a big difference when you have questions or unique situations. When I first got started, I was impressed by how quickly I could set up my account and pull up all my policies. It took maybe 10 or 15 minutes, which felt surprisingly fast compared to some other providers. I tested filing a small claim just to see the process in action, and that's usually where things can get frustrating. Updates came regularly, which was reassuring, and I wasn't left wondering if anything was happening or if my request had disappeared into a system. I also reached out to customer service with a couple of questions about coverage details, just to see how responsive they were. The reps were patient and genuinely helpful, taking the time to explain things clearly instead of rushing through the call or giving vague answers. The one thing I noticed is that some of their internal systems are a bit old-fashioned, so occasionally you have to wait a bit longer for certain updates or forms to process. If you're used to instant updates or fully digital workflows, that's something to keep in mind. What I liked most was the people and the culture. Everyone I interacted with seemed invested in helping, and there's a strong sense of community, which makes the whole experience feel more supportive and less transactional. On the flip side, the pay can be a little inconsistent depending on the role, and management sometimes micromanages, which could be frustrating for certain employees. That's more of an internal consideration, but it can still affect how teams operate. Honestly though, for the quality of service and support I got, it felt worth it overall. The experience felt more balanced toward long-term relationships rather than quick automated interactions. I'd say NC Farm Bureau Insurance is a solid option if you're looking for reliable coverage with a human touch. If you value having clear access to your policies, responsive support, and a local presence, especially when things get complicated, this is definitely a company worth considering. Personally, I'm planning to stick with them and maybe explore adding a couple more coverages as my needs change, because so far it's been straightforward, dependable, and genuinely helpful.